welcome to ChriSTEAM. I'm Christine, and I love making music, crafting, being with my friends and family, learning, science, being outside, and making videos for fun. Watching all different types of YouTubers inspired me to share my passions on this media. My hope is that you will find my channel as a place to come to and learn some tips and tricks, explore, have fun, and most importantly, be yourself. Everyone is welcome in this creative community. I will be posting once a week, so be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll know when another video is up. Speaking of videos, topics will range from music to crafts and cards, and maybe even some science experiments. If you have any ideas for videos you'd love to see, write a comment below so that I can try to make it happen. One more thing. At some point in each video, I will have either a happy quote or a tip for the week. Today I want to leave you with this wonderful quote by Ellen DeGeneres. We need more kindness, more compassion, more joy, more laughter. I definitely want to contribute to that.